If you saw our trailer next to our competitor, you would be amazed how much higher the quality is, how much better the finish is, how much better the wood looks. The design in general is better. The little details add up. Just from the manufacturing standpoint, we burn our own parts, we bend our own parts, we saw cut our own parts, we machine our own parts. And there's a lot of parts that go on a trailer. People don't realize that. There's 1,000 steel parts and there's another 2,000 purchase parts. Our big challenge is we're all new to the manufacturing sphere. Globe Trailers 2017 doubled our production, and in 2018 we want to do the same. Globe Trailers chose the 3DEXPERIENCE platform on the cloud because we have a globalized engineering team. We wanted to use something that wasn't hindering our progress, instead it was supporting our progress.
In the past, to ship information, I would have to export analyses, transfer the files that could be very large, and then they'd have to import them. This workflow is much smoother and makes it easy to share that type of information and for everyone to collaborate quickly. Engineers are always thinking over their problems, Generally, I could be anywhere and I can get on 3DEXPERIENCE, start to model it or sketch something out. And to be able to do that at any time is pretty powerful.
Time is very critical for us, so we have to make our trailers on time no matter what. So if there's an issue, we have to solve it within hours at least. Earlier, it would take us really long to do the hand calculations, but now, with 3DEXPERIENCE, we can take a manufacturing model and perform a very, approximate simulation on it and get the results. That way, the shop does not really have to wait. The shop can keep building the trailer.
Customers benefit from the 3DEXPERIENCE platform because we're able to spool up resources very quickly and as many as we need to. That gives us more output. We get to refresh designs, we get to close problems out quicker, and everybody's working from the same single source of information, so we can all keep that group going. When the customer sees me work the system, they're always impressed. They're amazed how fast I get the information to them, how great the models look, because I can show the rendering, I can show FEA. Everything's in that model space, and that's very powerful and very impressive for the customer. Our goals with the 3DEXPERIENCE now are to educate all of our users, so when a user logs into the trailer, he sees why that hole is there, why the flange is that size. He can actually go and visualize the engineering information inside the platform and then make better choices and inspire him for future choices. In 5 years, I see the company with a manufacturing footprint in other countries, much larger, much more diverse product range, making great products across the board.